Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the line graphed in the XY plane below models the total cost in dollars for a cab ride, Y, in a city during non-peak hours based on the number of miles, X. According to the graph, what is the cost for each additional mile traveled in dollars of a cab ride? So we're looking for the change in cost per mile, right? And this rate is going to be represented in the slope, right? Because we're looking for the change in costs, the change in Y, over the number of miles driven, the change in X. So how do we do that? Well, we pick 2 points. Usually picking the intercepts is easy, so we can pick this point, which is 0, 3. And then we have the point up here, which I've marked out, is 5, 13. So our answer is going to be the change in Y over the change in X, where this delta symbol just means change. So the change in Y is going from 13 to 3, so 13 minus 3. And X is going from 5 to 0, so 5 minus 0. I'm drawing the arrows so that I make sure that the subtraction is going in the same direction both times, right? If you're doing 13 minus 3, you have to do 5 minus 0. You have to go in the same direction both times. 13 minus 3 is 10, divided by 5 minus 0 is 5, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and this is going to be your final answer. Of course, it's in dollars for the actual final answer, but $2, 2, either way, A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.